Jumping into the new Mojave operating system. If you don't have a newer Mac, you're not going to be able to put it on. Actually, that's not true. You can, and I'm about to show you a couple of steps that you're going to need to know how to do it. And I'll leave links to a couple of other guys that have already done some really good tutorials. But one of the things that come up is how to disable your system integrity protection, which will make your Mac rootless, which means that pretty much anybody that has access to your Mac will be able to hijack your Mac if they know what they're doing. Most likely not, but you are opening up basically the root directory for anybody to run any malicious code on your computer. So just know that. So one of the things you're going to do is you're going to open up your terminal. If you don't already know how to do that, you're going to hit Command Spacebar. You're going to type in terminal. It's going to pop up. We'll leave that there for now. So I'll leave this link in the bottom description as well. So one thing you want to start off with is check the status of what your system integrity protection is. So you're going to just copy and paste this into terminal. It'll tell you whether it's enabled or disabled. If it's enabled, you're going to have to disable it. So you're going to scroll back up to here, and I'll put this in the description. You're going to copy and paste this right here, which is the csrutil disabled reboot. You can do either or. You're going to reboot it. It's going to basically unlock your system. If you want to re-enable it, you can go back down here and just type in the same thing and re-enable it. I'll leave the code in there for you so that you can look at it, and a couple of links to how to put Mojave on your older Mac. You can do it all the way back to I think 2008, 10, and 11. So 2012 is the cutoff, so you can put it on there. Anyway, like and subscribe. I hope you guys appreciate this stuff and love your comments. If you got a great idea, tell me about it. I'd love to hear it. Appreciate it. Bye.